So in this session we are going to solve this question from the CBSE Physics class 10 chapter light comes under spherical mirrors. Let's see. So we're talking about an erect image 3 times the size of the object. So the magnification clearly is 3, and the fact that this is an erect image, it has to be a virtual image. Virtual image magnification is plus. So we have minus v by u, that's what magnification is in case of mirror, is equal to 3, and that gets us v is equal to minus 3u. Let's read on. And it says the radius of curvature of this mirror is 36 centimeters, a concave mirror, mind you. So given the radius of curvature, which happens to be 2f, is equal to minus 36 centimeter, minus because this is a concave mirror, and that gets us f is equal to minus 18 centimeter. So now we know the focal length. Now a couple of observations or things that we will keep at the back of our mind before we solve further. Now this is a virtual image. This is a virtual image, and therefore the object distance. Now since this is a virtual image, the object distance has to be less than the focal length. We know this from our understanding of ray diagrams, that it's only in case of a concave mirror, it's only when the object is placed between the pole and the focus that we get a virtual erect image. And therefore we know well in advance that the numeric value of the object distance, is going to be less than 18, and that's something we can keep at the back of our mind. Also, we know that for any of these mirrors or lenses, the object distance is minus, so it's going to be minus. So these are the two things that we know from our understanding of ray diagram, and once we solve, we'll see if we are complying with these understandings. Let's go ahead. So now by mirror formula, we know 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Let us put down all the values that we have, and in this case we have minus 1 by 3u plus 1 by u gets us minus 1 by 18. This comes to minus 1 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 by 18, and we have minus 3u is equal to 18 into 2, and therefore u comes to minus 36 by 3, which is minus 12 centimeter, and is indeed less than 18. So we see that object distance is minus, which should have been the case from our understanding of sign convention, and object distance is numerically less than 18, which again complies with our understanding. So an understanding of the ray diagrams and the sign convention help us ascertain these numericals. We know what we are finding. We know in advance where our results, where our answers will lead to, and once we get the answers, we are readily able to check those. Thanks for watching.